Hello, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of i2c T20 intelligent preheater for the iPhone X and iPhone 15. So I purchased up to the iPhone 15. Only one seller is selling that. And that's I believe Phone Fix. This ain't a sponsored video whatsoever. I bought this with my own money. But yeah, so it's a preheater to basically separate the boards, and this is supposed to come out to the Series 15. So what we're gonna do is unbox this, and I paid for like the Express. Yeah, you can see it was opened up probably by customs. That's why they put it in a different bag. So you can probably tell that this has been opened because usually they just have their yellow tape on there, but customs was in it. There we go. So yeah, with AI. So this is built with, you're supposed to be able to tell it to turn on, turn off, preheat. Pretty beefy. But my last heater, I was really never impressed with that one, the iPhone X one. That's the last time I bought a heater. But as you can see right here, that this one comes up to the 15. So we got up to the 15 on this. It's a 110 volt. I like how this only says up to the 14, but then on the side here they put a sticker. They must have added the holder for it instead of changing the box. So instead of changing the box label and the whole boxing of it, they just add a label on the side. But yeah, any other seller, I couldn't find anyone like on AliExpress. They were just offering the 14, unfortunately. Shing shing. Made in China. Comes in a nice box. So I gotta say, over there in China, man, they be packaging stuff pretty nice. Nice boxes, especially for the programmers. Yeah, we got the magnet cover. It would be nice to see a little bit stronger magnets on there, but got some foam. You got an instruction manual. They didn't update the instructions yet, obviously, because they only have up to 14 Pro. Temperature 248 Celsius. So you can do software download for updates. That's pretty cool. Wow. Not mint condition, you know, you got a couple markings here and there scraped around, but man, they got a nice little case on here. They got a fan built in. That's nice detail right there. That's how you remove the plate. Look at the cable to the heater and stuff. It's under some springs here. They look like they're screwed down, so they can't just go flying. buttons are nice and clicky, so they got a nice tactile feedback. Yeah, pretty solid, pretty weighty there. Oh, and I bet you this is the 15. So this is the 15 plate. Just change out the plates, which that's why I went with this heater, because you could do that. I don't like how loose this is. Say we want to work on a 15, there we go, we're working on 15. And then we got other heaters here. So this is a 14 Pro, 14 Plus. That one's for 13 Mini Pro. Yeah, I like the case, the boxing of it. So 12 to Pro. I'll turn these all right. Guess that's the warranty card. Let this stick in there. This one's for X, XS, XX Max, 11 Pro. Guide pins to be able to hold the board down in place. So yeah, that kind of makes sense. Because like my other heater that I have, it only heats up around the edges. Maybe I'll do that. I'll do this under the flare camera and see how this heats up versus the other one, the X that I have, where it does a pattern of the heating. So possibly maybe I'll use this as my preheater for the Xbox HDMI ports and stuff like that, and the PlayStation ports. So that might come in handy. This one I use for the HDMI port replacement. I don't use it for iPhones, but I'll use it for like Switch HDMI port replacements or chips where I don't want to create a lot of heat connectors. So not for mainly just the USB ports. I'll use this for the actual Nintendo Switch for like the display connector and stuff, where you don't have to heat it so much heat on the top where you burn the connector. So this, man, I put this thing through the ringer. I just recently repaired a wire in here. The wire that grounds this out was crispy, barely making connection. I could hear it kind of zapping inside. So I replaced that, but this heater has lasted for a long time. This is what you really start off on with the older iPhones. Like I said, I had the 10. The 10 only works for the 10. It doesn't work for anyone. This one has interchangeable plates. So if I want to do a different board holder, I could just swap it in, swap it out. Now the cord, cheap. That's my first thoughts. The wiring inside this is probably nothing. And this is supposed to be AC, rated for 300 volts. But the cord, not a fan of. I would like to see it just a little bit more. The plug doesn't match the socket. Maybe they use this cord for multiple different things. Now with these heaters, the cheap Chinese heaters like this, you gotta watch it. You're not touching this and plugging this in at the same time. So make sure you're not touching this and plugging this in at the same time, because they're not grounded right. Oh man, that thing is loosey goosey. Doesn't even have the holes in it. So there's the USB-C, that's how you would update it. We gotta press and hold this. No. We gotta hit our switch. There we go. So it powers on automatically. Made a nice little charm. Okay, so it's reading our temperature. We're at 20 Celsius. So it's not touchscreen. So it's set at 200. They want you to use the voice commands? You gotta be kidding me. So we gotta do with the AI, we gotta go, hey buddy.
Hi, what can I help you?
Turn on heater.
Okay, the temperature will rise to 200 degrees.
Thank you. Yep, it's heating up. So it's going at 200 degrees. Hey buddy.
Hello.
Turn off heater.
Okay, the heating has been turned off.
Okay, this is cool too. Hey buddy.
Hi, what can I help you?
Turn on fan.
Okay.
The fan's on. Oh, and I can feel the heat rising. Wow, that's pretty cool. Hey buddy, go to
Hi,
sleep.
what can I help you?
Turn off fan.
Okay.
I mean, it's really responsive for the voice commands. Hey buddy,
Hi, I am here.
are you? Hey buddy,
Hi, what can I help you?
turn on heater.
Okay, the temperature will rise to 200 degrees.
Turn off heater.
Okay, the heating has been
So you had to wait, so you have to do the hey buddy, and then
Hi,
just
what can I help you?
turn on fan.
Okay.
Hey buddy,
Hi, what can I help you?
turn off fan.
Okay.
You gotta give it to him, the voice command thing does work. I wouldn't say I would be a fan of the feature, but that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. And it works. I mean, this, I don't know. That's to change your temperature. Okay. Oh, here we go. Language, temperature. Set the cooling fan, countdown timer, brightness, about device, AI voice. Factory reset, language. Alright, so we're back at the menu. Yeah, what's my thoughts on it? I think it's built out of good quality. You know, this ain't a sponsored video. I bought this myself. I have the different plates that hold the iPhone and stuff like that. Now, concerning that it's going to be heating all one area of the iPhones, yeah, versus like other models which just do like the outline of the actual device itself. But that would be kind of hard to do with multiple different plates. But I like how you have so many different varieties of how many different models that you could, you know, separate the boards from X all the way up to 15 now, which is the latest iPhone as of recording this. That just came out not too long ago. So I hope you guys liked the unboxing. If you guys get a chance, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button right there. And as always, thanks for watching.